Hello kids, today we are going to learn ABC and its phonics. A, A, alligator, A, apple, and A, ant. B, butterfly, B, bear, and B, bee, like honeybees. C, caterpillar, C, cat, and C, cake. D, dog, D, donut, and D, dinosaur. E, elephant, E, eggplant, and E, egg. F, fish, F, fork, and F, flamingo. G, and G, guitar, G, grapefruit, and G, giraffe. H, house, H, horse, and H, hamburger. I, insect, I, igloo, and I, iguana. J, jelly, J, jet, and J, jaguar. It's an animal. K, kite, K, kiwi, and K, koala. It's also an animal. L, lion, L, lamp, and L, lemon. M, monkey, M, mushrooms, and M, muffins. N, nut, N, nail, and N, narwhal. O, octopus, O, orange, and O, owl. P, pear, P, penguin, and P, popcorns. Q, quail, Q, quill, and Q, quince. R, rocket, R, rabbit, and R, radish. S, sun, S, squirrel, and S, strudel. T, tomato, T, tap, and T, turtle. U, and U, unicorn, U, underground, and U, umbrella. V, was, V, vulture, and V, violin. V now W W whale, W wood, and W watermelon. X xylophone, X X-ray, and X is a Christmas tree. Y yacht, Y yogurt, and Y yak. Z zoo, Z zipper, and Z zip line.